Are you ready to unlock your inner programmer? Scratch is the perfect platform to start your coding journey. It's fun, visual, and easy to learn, even if you've never coded before. Join our channel and let's create amazing games, animations, and interactive stories together. The Scratch Editor. The Scratch Editor is where you create projects in Scratch. Here are its main parts. The stage, where your creations come to life. Sprite list. Click the thumbnail of a sprite to select it. Blocks palette. Blocks for coding your projects. Coding area. Drag in blocks and snap them together to code your sprites. What is a sprite? In Scratch, any character or object is called a sprite. Every new project in Scratch starts with the cat sprite. Want to choose a different sprite? Click the new sprite icon. Choose a sprite from the library. Draw your own sprite. Click for a surprise sprite. Upload an image from your computer. Want to delete a sprite from your project? First, select the sprite by clicking on its thumbnail in the sprite list. Then, click here to delete the sprite, saving in Scratch. Click the File menu and select Save to your computer. To open a project, click Load from your computer. Give this post a like and share it with your fellow coders. Together, we'll build an awesome community of learners. See you in the comments.